Good evening, students. I'm Praveen Vashist, elite maths teacher, and today my this video will explain question number 1, 2, and 3 of end of term exam and of grade 7 elite. And I hope you will enjoy learning all the questions of end of term exam from me. So let us start with the question number 1. So question number 1 will be identifying points, segments, rays and lines on page 676. So this is from the quick review. You have to write the name of the segments and the rays. And yes, my dear students, before teaching this, I would like to tell you about what do you know, children? If we have arrow on both sides, it means no starting line, no end point, no starting point, no end point. This is called a line. And if I have a starting point, initial point, but no end point, we call it a ray. So starting point definitely will be here. Like in this case, if I'll say starting point is M, and this arrow is showing that it is a ray. Now, how do we write ray is again important. So, how do we write ray? We make like we take 2 points on the ray. I can take M, N, or MP. So, I can take M, N, and I can show this arrow like this on point N. Why am I not showing this arrow on M? Because the starting point is M. To start from M and put your arrow on N. If you want to write it as N and P, but this can also be the ray. Why? Because I can start from N and it is going towards P with no end. Or you can write start from M and take another point P and you put arrow on P. So this is the one way how you will show your ray. Next one is you have to write the segment. Segment is having a starting point as well as an end point. So if I want to start from M and I will end it at N, so it will become a line segment. And how do we write line segment? These are the rays I have written. So now how do we write the line segments? So how do you write? So you will take the starting point, you will take the end point, and you will put this dash on M and N both. No arrow on this because we have starting point as M, end point as N. Or you can write the same as N and M. You can start from N, you can end at M. That is the same thing. I can start from N and I can go up to N, or I can start from N, I can go up to M. So this is the question number 1 from your end of term coverage. Let us move now towards the second question. In the second type of question, these will be MCQ and of 3 marks each. Identify two-dimensional figures, say page 676, example 2. So, my dear children, here I want to remind you, so two-dimensional figures. So, you have to just remind how many two-dimensional figures do you know? Do you remember? So, we can talk about triangles. We can talk about quadrilaterals. So triangles, again we can classify them according to the sides or according to the angles, and quadrilateral we can classify further. Triangles have the 3 sides total. 3 sides figure is called a triangle. I will start again with the triangle. I'll give you a little bit knowledge of triangles and quadrilateral. It will become easy for you. So if I'll go only with triangles, if I'll go with triangles, so it's not responding. I think something happened with the PDF. I'll stop it.